In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on an image in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill that can enhance your presentations by bringing specific details into focus, and we'll walk through it together in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up your PowerPoint presentation that includes the image you want to zoom in on. Having your images and slides ready will streamline the process and help you follow along. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the ribbon, a toolbar full of various options. Next, you're going to navigate to the View tab on this ribbon. The View tab is your gateway to adjusting how slides are displayed, making it a crucial tool for this task. By clicking on it, you'll unveil options specifically designed to tailor your visual experience as you craft or present your slides. Now let's focus on the Zoom feature. Click on the Zoom button. It doesn't just magnify your slides, but allows you to pinpoint sections that require more attention, effectively drawing your audience's focus exactly where you need it. To zoom in, select Zoom In from the menu that appears. You can also employ a handy shortcut by holding down the Control key and scrolling up with your mouse. This shortcut is a time saver, giving you speedy access to zooming capabilities and is especially useful during live presentations where time is of the essence. Next, I want you to take a glance at the bottom right corner of your PowerPoint window. Here, you'll notice a variety of tools, including the zoom slider. This feature is an intuitive and visual way to adjust your view dynamically. By simply dragging the slider to the right, you zoom in, bringing those minute details into sharp relief. If you need to zoom back out, simply slide it to the left. This flexibility allows you to quickly navigate through different levels of zoom, an asset during rapid information changes or detail-oriented discussions. Throughout this process, remember the value of practice. Experiment with different levels of zoom to understand how your images and text will appear to your audience. The goal is to ensure that your message is delivered with clarity and emphasis, tailored perfectly to your presentation's needs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to zoom in on an image in PowerPoint quickly and effectively. With this technique in your toolkit, you'll be able to engage your audience by highlighting important aspects of your content with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide enhances your next presentation. Stay creative and keep practicing.